In the first part of this video, we learned about the letters used in Roman numerals and their values as well as rules for writing numbers in Roman numeral system. In this video, we will learn to write some more numbers in Roman numeral system. Let's review the symbols for number 1 to 10 in Roman numeral system. Let us try to write numbers from 1 to 100. How can we write number 20? As we know, to write 10, we have symbol x. To write 20, we will write 2 times x. The value of x is 10 and 2 times x is 10 plus 10, that is 20. Now, to write 30, we will write 3 times x. Again, the value of x is 10 and 3 times x equals 3 times 10, that is 30. Now, can we write 40 by repeating 4 times x? No, because no numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. So, we cannot write 40 by writing 4 times x. There is another way to write 40, that is 50 minus 10. But how can we write in Roman numeral system? Let's see. To write 50, we have symbol L. Now, to write 40, we will place x on the left side of the L. According to subtraction rule, the value of x will be subtracted from the value of L. That is, 50 minus 10 is 40. Now, to write 60, we will place x on the right side of the L. According to addition rule, the values of x and L will be added. That is, 50 plus 10 is 60. Now, to write 70, we will place 2 times x on the right side of the L. Value of L is 50 and 2 times x is 20. That is, 50 plus 20 is 70. To write 80, we will place 3 times x on the right side of the L. Value of L is 50 and 3 times x is 30. That is, 50 plus 30 is 80. Now, to write 100, we have symbol C. To write 90, we will place x on the left side of the C. According to subtraction rule, the value of x will be subtracted from the value of C. That is, 100 minus 10 is 90. Now, let us try to write numbers between these numbers. Now, to write numbers up to 100, we will follow a method for convenience. That is, when we write any number up to 100 in Roman numeral, we separate the tens and ones and then first write the Roman numeral for the tens and then write the Roman numeral for the ones at the right of it. Let us try to write number 22. Separate the number 22 into tens and ones. That is 20 plus 2. First, we will write the Roman numeral for 20. Then we will write the Roman numeral for 2 on the right of it. For 20, we will write the Roman numeral XX. For 2, we will write 2 times I on the right of it. That is XXII. Next is 39. Split 39 into tens and ones, that is 30 plus 9. For 30, we will write 3 times x, and for 9, we will write ix. We get XXXIX. Next is 44. Split 44 into tens and ones, that is 40 plus 4. For 40, we will write XL, and for 4, we will write IV. We get XLIV. Next is 53. Split 53 into tens and ones, that is 50 plus 3. For 50, we will write L, and for 3, we will write 3 times I. We get L 3 times I. Next is 69. Split 69 into tens and ones, that is 60 plus 9. For 60, we will write LX, and for 9, we will write IX. We get LXIX. Next is 74. Split 74 into tens and ones, that is 70 plus 4. For 70, we will write LXX, and for 4, we will write IV. We get LXX IV. Next is 83. Split 83 into tens and ones, that is 80 plus 3. For 80, we will write L 3 times X, and for 3, we will write 3 times I. We get L 3 times X 3 times I. Next is 99. Split 99 into tens and ones, that is 90 plus 9. For 90, we will write XC, and for 9, we will write IX. We get XCIX. There is also another way to write 99. We can also write 99 as 100 minus 1. Symbol for 100 is C, and symbol for 1 is I. To subtract the value of I from the value of C, we will write I on the left side of the C, that is IC. Next is 100. Symbol for 100 is C. There is also another way to write 100, that is 50 plus 50. In Roman numeral, we can write 50 plus 50 by writing V. So, to write 99 and 100, we have two ways. But are they both correct? No. Correct way to write 99 is XCIX. And correct way to write 100 is C. But what about the remaining two? Roman numerals which do not follow the rules of writing Roman numerals are known as meaningless numerals. The remaining way to write 99 and 100 are meaningless numerals. That is, IC and VV are meaningless numerals. Let's see the numbers in Roman numerals in tabular form.